All right, next one, IoCars. More parking? I think Armenia has a very big issue with parking, is it? I've been here for only, what, 7, 8 days now, but I didn't see any parking issues, not here in Sedans.
Are you driving?
I am driving, but in Europe, it was so cool, so easy. Okay, lots of cars, but not parking. I don't know. Enjoy.
Hello everyone, my name is Artem. I'm co-founder of IoCars. I want to ask, do you know how many road traffic deaths occur every year?
125 million.
125 million. And 1.25 million. And 20% of which because of ambulance delays. So to solve this problem, we create a device which can be easily installed on any car. So firstly, it detects car emergencies automatically. Secondly, it will send SMS with coordinates to family members. And thirdly, it will call to the emergency services. One more question. How many of you have met this situation? I guess most of you. So we solve this problem too. So IoCars stands for Internet of Cars. It will connect your car to the internet and allow remote start engine, control the heating system, lock, unlock doors, and collect diagnostic information. Also, it is considered as anti-theft system by location tracking and sending alarms to phone. A little bit about security. Nowadays, most of car alarm systems has insecure remote controllers which can be easily hacked by third person. Instead, we use NFC, which is impossible to hack remotely. There are 1.2 billion vehicles in use worldwide. Our obtainable market is calculated for Armenia and Russia, which is 500 million. And there is new interesting thing happening. New market is evolving. It is car-generated data. And according to McKinsey, this data by 2030 will be $750 billion. So part of selling devices, we have subscription plans for additional services, and we sell the collected data to automakers and insurance companies. Our vision is to connect all cars together. It will eliminate car emergencies. These are our competitors. They all are concentrated to give only comfort, while we are focused to give security and safety. We are tech team. We have more than 5-year experience in engineering and software development. Now we have a prototype. At the end of this year, we'll have MVP, and by 2020, we'll cover 2% of our customers. We are looking for $50,000 to start production. The funds will be spent on marketing, production, and research and development. A short video I want to show you.
Do we have time for video?
I don't know if it's 30 seconds, we're fine. If 20 seconds is fine. Just let it be there. Can you explain what the video is?
The video show we sent SMS and the car started. It parked here. If you want, I can show you how it works.
It worked.
Thank you.
What kind of prototype do you have? So what stage the prototype is, and are there similar products in the world?
They are similar, but not exact. Our prototype, can can, by sending SMS, start engine. After a while, turn on heating system. Also can lock or unlock doors. It is only by SMS, and by application we can control also audio system and get temperature and diagnostic information like level of battery.
So I like the fact that there's an Armenian smart car company that's doing something along these lines. You identified a couple of immediate applications that could create demand. Emergency services, I'm not sure. Am I going to buy your little device in order to have an ambulance come to me faster? Or is it going to be a requirement of the government to put these devices in order that ambulances come faster?
I guess the government will force to install the device on all cars.
That's what I think too. So you need some politics.
Yes.
So I have a couple of technical questions. One is, how does it integrate into the car? You said it integrates with internal systems.
It's connected directly by wire.
Okay. So it requires a professional installation.
Not on our cars. If car is manual transmission, it requires. On automatic, it can be easily installed.
Okay, so there's a port or something.
There is a port.
Yes.
Okay. And since you mentioned you can SMS the device, does that mean that it needs to be a subscriber to a cellular network?
A simple SIM card is installed and you send SMS like to people.
Okay, so that requires
Built into the solution is some kind of...
Yeah, do we need to pay?
Yeah.
Yes.
you have to pay. And my third question is, how much will a device like that cost?
$200.
200.
Yes.
Հավաքարար փոխկայացումը մեքենայի դատչիկները դուք եք դատչիկները։
Չելերի մեր դրած դատչիկները։
Okay. Fine.
I think it's too expensive.
Unless if it's a $200 per year or just unlimited for the rest until the car is crashed. I don't know.
So I agree, the device is too expensive. You're going to have to somehow figure out how to lower the cost. But the other way to do it is to say, instead of buying the device for $200, you pay $20 per month. And you get a service, and the dimension of the service needs to be expanded to really compel people to want to pay for this function. My suggestion is you find people parking spaces.
So if I imagine there's a device that I can buy and install into my car easily, and it's easy to integrate, and then I start communicating with my car over my phone, to me, actually, $200, it's kind of like I would imagine that this device costs $200 or even more. So I think the key, I would think, would be the ease of integration, ease of use, sort of some kind of a coolness factor. And one avenue that I would encourage you to at least explore is partnering with insurance companies. I think there are precedences where insurance companies themselves install a device into your system, and they measure how fast you go or how far you go, etc., and they adjust your insurance rates accordingly. So that maybe people could get discounts or something like that.
Maybe integrate a dash cam into the solution so that when people do have accidents, they capture the image and they can help themselves with the claims and all that. There's got to be enough functionality in this thing that justifies the investment and the service.
Շրջադրության արդեն դա մեքենաները կամ ինչ-որ կառավարված են։ Ու դրա կարիքը մանավանդ դուք հիմա փորձում եք դուբլաժ անել, այսինքն եղած դատչիկները ինքը ունի, դուք ձերն եք դնում եւ այդ մեքենային չերեք թողնում, որ դուք մոտենաք ու մեջ փոխություններ անեք։ մանավանդ որ նոր մեքենաները արդեն այդ ֆունկցիաների հիմնական մասը ունեն։ Ոնց որ ես չեմ հավատում դեպս։
Nowadays, there are a lot of cars already that have this feature in them, and I think that many people will not just let you put this device and like double it. They will not let you do that.
And so one thing that just occurred to me, there's enough